Now we move on to the Fractal ID Wallet demonstration. The Fractal ID Wallet is a decentralized identity wallet built on top of the Fractal protocol infrastructure that simply works as an extension on the Google Chrome browser. Simply download the wallet from the Chrome web store. When you open the extension, you'll create your own password and then be directed to Fractal ID, where you will create an account, verify your ID and log in. Once you have logged in, click the button saying Join the Fractal protocol. Submit the selfie as a liveness check and it will say your data will be reviewed shortly. In the meantime, open the Fractal ID Wallet extension again, click Protocol, click Join the Protocol, click Create, and Continue. There you will see your very own FCL token address, and you are now done. Now when you browse around the web, the Fractal ID Wallet will safely store your browsing history in your device and reward you with FCL tokens for your data. And that's it! There are already more than 10,000 users using the Fractal ID Wallet and have been doing so successfully since the testnet launch. And now you will as well.